Hello everybody and welcome back to Sustainable Smallholding France. I'm Lorraine Turnbull and this video is going to show you in a step-by-step tutorial how to whip graft apple trees. Now, those of you who know me know I'm really into orchards and apple trees, and I have found whip grafting to be the simplest method, which is why I'm showing you it here. There are other ways to graft apple trees, but this is the easiest and most successful way to do it. I get about 80 to 90% success, and I'm always doing my apple trees just when the buds are starting to fatten up, and just be proud of the stem, which here is usually about mid-February because temperatures in France go quite high during the day, very early in the year, but they're still very cold at night. So I find here mid-February is good. If you're in the UK, you might find March or April, depending on where you are. So you're wanting to graft before your scions have come into leaf bud, that is opening the leaves. You just want them to be rising proud of the stem. Have a look at the video, there are lots of photographs on there. Any comments, just comment below the video. Hope you enjoy it. If you do, click like and subscribe and watch for more videos on how to grow your own rootstocks and save money, and other orcharding videos. Thanks for watching.